I'm running out the door and I am making my roast sticky chicken with chicken thighs, but I'm adding a little bit of a different twist. So here's my flavoring. So here's my seasoning that I made from my roast sticky chicken, the big one. I'm putting a little bit in there, but I'm just gonna add a different twist and put a little bit of brown sugar, or a lot of brown sugar. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix this all together, just like so. Yum. Have my aluminum foil here to line my pan to make cleanup easier. Now, here's a little tip. I found this foil unopened at a garage sale for, I can't remember if it was 50 cents or $1, and it was completely unopened. So guys, look for alternate places to find your foils and your plastic wraps and all of that to help you save money. Okay, so I've got my chicken thighs. I'm gonna put them in here. Then, just going to sprinkle some on the bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna throw this in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour. Now, if you have extra leftover, just put it in a baggie, put it in the freezer, and you can use it next time. Okay, I've got about 10 minutes left, so I'm gonna baste it. Probably should have basted it before, but today's been one of those days. Okay, I've got my roast sticky chicken. Oh, yum. I turned the broiler on just a second, so that's why the tops are just a little bit black there, but that's okay. I just wanted my skin to get extra crispy. So we've got steak potatoes. What do you call these? I can't remember what I call these.
Wedges.
Anyway, steak potato wedges, broccoli, mom broccoli, dad broccoli, kid broccoli. Yum. All right, I have my pan here with about 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of oil. I'm turning my oven on at 350. I have my chicken thighs here, and I'm not going to trim any of the skin because I really like the skin. So I am sprinkling with my homemade seasoned salt. This recipe for the seasoned salt is on our website, livingonadime.com. The link is in the description below. Also, this recipe is adapted from my honey garlic chicken, also in the description below. The one on the website uses chicken breast, but I wanted to try it with chicken thighs to see how it would turn out. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Okay, so got seasoned salt on both sides, but I wanted to cook this side first, actually. Okay, and then no, I get lots of questions. I do not wash my chicken before I fry it. All the germs die at 165 degrees, so I'm not going to be splatting chicken germs all over my kitchen. All right, we're going to let this brown, and then we're going to turn it over. All right, then we're going to turn it over and let it brown on the other side. Now for our honey garlic mixture. Here is a little tip for honey. Spray your measuring cup with vegetable spray, and then measure your honey in there. All right. And my soy sauce. and my garlic. Mike really likes a lot. And extra seasoned salt, just because I like to make sure things are seasoned enough. And optional red peppers if you want. All right, now we're gonna stir all that together. We're gonna put our chicken in the oven, and the chicken has about 45 minutes left to go. But I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just put the sauce over it. And then I'm gonna baste it. All right, it's been about a half an hour. I'm gonna let this cook for about another 45 minutes or so. All right, it's been about 30 minutes and I basted it. Probably another 15 to 20 minutes. All right, that is looking pretty yummy.
Look at that amazingness. Holy smokes.
Delicious.
Look at this. That's even good. That's really great too.
Okay, now if you want to thicken your gravy, set your chicken to the side. Whoops. Turn your whatever on. Okay. Then we're going to take some water and a little bit of cornstarch. Stir it in here. See, if you do cold water, your cornstarch won't get all lumpy. And then we're going to pour it in here and bring it to a boil. Okay, while this is coming to a boil, we are going to put our rice on a plate. All right, so we got our rice on the plate. And then we're going to take our chicken like that.
Wow,
Then I'm just going to pour our sauce all over it. And there you go. What do you think, dear?
amazing. It looks amazing. It smells even more amazing.
Amazing-er.
Amazing-er.